Okay, $5 footlong. Oh, go for me, okay. $5 footlong. Sandwiches are cheap price, satisfactory. What? $6 footlong. Sandwiches are an expensive price, not satisfactory. $10 footlong. Sandwiches at a ludicrous price, unacceptable. $15 footlong. Sandwiches worth a king's ransom, inconceivable. Oh my god. $0 footlong. Free sandwiches, suspicious yet satisfactory. 200 billion papermark. Stale ingredients at a hyperinflated cost. Way more Republic will collapse. -$5 footlong. Sandwiches at a negative price. Paradoxical. You just get $9. -$1. Well, actually, imaginary dollar footlong. Sandwiches at an imaginary value. $6. $X footlong. Sandwiches at a price dependent on the variable's value. Preposterous. Pi squared over $6 footlong. Sandwiches are worth the sum of the reciprocal of every positive integer squared. A preposterous intriguing solution to this age-old mathematical enigma. $1 footlong. Sandwiches at an irrational price. Transcendental. 5 plus sin X $footlong. Sandwiches at an oscillating price. Changes between satisfactory and unsatisfactory on every interval of length pi. That $1 footlong. Sandwiches at 2 different possible values. A most intriguing mathematical conundrum. Infinite $1 footlong. Sandwiches in an unpayable sun. The sky is split. Woe be upon us. Okay. That $1 footlong. Sandwiches at a price EN. A multitude of options to choose from. With $1 footlong. Sandwiches at an infinite yet well-ordered price. Cardinal. If you want to learn more about infinites, watch that one video called How to Count Past Infinity by Vsauce. Vsauce, Michael. Oh my god. A fractal $1 footlong. Sandwiches with infinite perimeters and a recursively similar price. How topologically intensive and intriguing this mathematical conundrum involving an infinite series of imaginary and complex numbers. That $1 footlong. Sandwiches at a price impossible to confine at any finite number, despite being defined in a closed finite space. Puzzling but possible to somewhat estimate using a variety of methods, including integrals, midpoints, and derivatives. $1 footlong. Sandwiches at 3-dimensional vectors. May God smite the inventor of honest precalculus. I think that's the capital $5 footlong. Sandwiches at a random price, but probability of that price is predictable based on the last known location of or velocity of the employee. Yeah, let's go rob a subway. That thing, $1 footlong. Sandwiches at a non-community price. We have strayed from the light of God. The only thing left to us is the darkness of the endless abyss. $5 hyperreality at a cheap price. Henceforth, it is the map that precedes the territory position of the same Uakawa It is the map that engenders the territory, and if we were to revive the fable today, it would be the territory whose shreds are slowly rotting across the map. Okay. Okay, that must be the last one. What even was that?